morning, YouTube shoppers. Thank you so much for spending this morning with us. We hope you've been able to capture some great content.
I'll be right there. You guys, I've been called to hair and makeup. I gotta go. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you repeat the question again?
What are your top 5 fragrances for life?
Oh, my top 5?
Currently.
For life? Oh, of all times, that I can't be without. I can do you one better. So I'm being asked, what are my top 5 fragrances? Which fragrances can I not be without? Instead of telling you, why don't I show you? Are you ready? Okay, come on, let's go. And I also I'm going to show you a bonus because I can't stick to the assignment. So I'm going to show you my top 5 and a huge honorable mention. Let's go. Well, don't just stand there. Come on. In no particular order, one of my absolute favorites, especially for summer, is Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. This is a luxurious, it reminds me of being out on a yacht vacation, set sailing, maybe on the Amalfi Coast, somewhere in Europe. This is an amazing fragrance. Absolutely one of my top 5. You can take your pick when it comes to Baccarat Rouge 540. This is definitely in my top 5 as well. Absolutely love Baccarat Rouge 540, whether it is the original or whether it is the Estrade de Parfum. This one has an almond note in it, so it does make it a bit softer, a little bit more easier to palate, I would say. But to me, in my opinion, you cannot go wrong. I love them both. Down. I move on. And we made it to my favorite. Of course, you guys, you already knew. Valaya. Valaya, hands down. This is a beautiful, opulent, elegant, sophisticated fragrance. It's musky. It's got a peach note in there. It's kind of fresh. It's perfect for year-round, but it really shines in spring and summer. However, I wear it year-round, all the time, okay? Whenever I have on a fragrance, 9 times out of 10, I've mixed it with Valaya. I move on. And Delina. Of course, Delina. This is effervescent. It's girly. It's feminine. It's flirty. It's foo-foo la-la. It's got your rhubarb, lychee, nutmeg. It is a beautiful fragrance. If you do not like a tart, fizzy fragrance, this is not for you. But if you do, you will definitely love Delina. I move on. And of course, if you know anything about me, you already knew Chanel was going to be in this video. While I do not see Chanel Les Exclusive Beige here, I will share with you one that I am absolutely obsessed with, and that is this one here. It's gone, and for good reason. This is Chanel Peri Peri. I'm sharing this one with you because Chanel Beige from the Les Exclusive line is not in Nordstrom, but Peri Peri is absolutely gorgeous, and I love this one. If you haven't tried it, I highly, highly recommend. This is like being out at the crack of dawn and you just have on a button-down shirt. You're waking up and you just throw on a pair of boyfriend jeans and you run downstairs because you live like above a pantry or a coffee mart, and you grab yourself a coffee latte and maybe a scone of some sort. You guys go with it, okay? I absolutely love this fragrance. If you haven't, you should. I move on. All right, and just like that, those are my favorite top 5, I would say, at the moment. You guys know that my list and my mind can change at any given moment, but if I were to rate them and put them in order right now, that would be my top 5. I absolutely love Valaya. I have been loving Valaya since it, came out. I love Delina. Delina came out first, so I fell in love with Delina first. That is the effervescent, of the two. Both are amazing, but Delina is just so girly, so feminine. So I love that. Full dedicated reviews to both of those, or all of these actually, on my channel, but I wanted to do like a rapid fire just to, give some insight, especially if you're shopping the sale or you just want to know my favorite fragrances. Then Tom Ford Soleil, ever since it came out, I have absolutely loved that fragrance. I have been in love with it. It just gives me very luxe vibes. I will be renewing my wedding anniversary this year, and I can definitely let you know that Tom Ford Soleil Blanc is definitely going to be worn by myself. And what else did we cover? Maison Francis Kurkdjian. If you know, you know. I love Baccarat Rouge 540. I first stumbled upon the original, and it wasn't a love at first sniff, but it was definitely intriguing. It made me want to know more. I put it on my skin. I went to dinner, and then after a while it just hit me in the face, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, this is good. I cannot stop smelling myself. So I got a sample, did a wear test. I took a sample home, played with it, and long and behold, very shortly after that, I was back there picking up a full-size bottle. Needless to say, I have been down the Maison Francis Kurkdjian rabbit hole ever since, because my collection selection is huge with his fragrances, and I absolutely love them. Oud Satin Mood, not that we're talking about it, but that's another one. If you haven't checked it out, I would highly recommend. I'm not a seasonal fragrance person. I wear what I want when I want, but I will say that that one would probably be better suited for cold weather, fall, winter. But like I said, wear what makes you happy. I then stumbled upon the Estrade de Parfum, which is softer in my opinion. It has the almond note in it, as I mentioned, so it is really good, and I absolutely love that one as well. So if you haven't got your nose on it, I would highly recommend. I know a lot of people talk about Baccarat Rouge 540 and you think like, oh my gosh, everybody knows about it. They don't. You know, the fragrance community may know about it, and we may know about it because we're fragrance lovers or enthusiasts, or you know, we just love to smell good, but there's so many people that don't. So if there's good fragrances out there, I'm always going to talk about them, especially if I love them. I am the type of person that talks about what I love, even if it's talking about it again, and again. You can attest assured that it's something that I would buy again and again. So if you are interested in shopping the Nordstrom anniversary sale or any sale that you're trying to pick up fragrances for, those are the ones that I would recommend. Chanel did not have Les exclusive line in here, which would have been Chanel Beige. I'll pop a picture. This is my absolute favorite Chanel fragrance. Oh my gosh, that Baccarat fragrance smells so good. Ooh. Oh, this is good. Oh God, I wonder if I should buy it. It's not on sale, but I should buy it. Sorry, I digress. I come back.
Good morning, YouTube shoppers. Thank you so much for spending this morning with us. We hope you've been able to capture some great content. We would love to capture this moment with a photo of everyone. We have the store opening at 9:50 a.m., so if you could please meet us upstairs by order pickup. That's across from the restaurant for our photo. See y'all soon.
I'll be right there. You guys, I've been called to hair and makeup. I gotta go. No, I'm kidding. But as I was stating, I couldn't get Chanel Les exclusive beige, so I shared with you Peri Peri. So that's absolutely a phenomenal fragrance. It's so beautiful. If you want a full detailed review, check out the channel, type in my name, Cheraye, okay, and then go ahead and type in Peri Peri. Or if you want to know about beige, type in beige. I gotta go, you guys. It's been real, but I gotta go. We've been asked to come to the 5th floor, and you know me, I don't even know where it's at, so while I'd love to stay here and chat with you, because I hope you've had a great time shopping with me, I really can't afford to. No, I know what you mean, but I really do have to go. So, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, shoot, I'm forgetting something. Okay, bye, guys. Do I look like a business professional, though? Yeah. Okay. Thanks.